building and managing a website with Durable.co. In today's digital world, having an online presence is essential for any business. But building a website from scratch can be time consuming and technically challenging, especially if you are not a developer. That's where Durable AI comes in. This AI-powered website builder helps small business and startups create professional websites and means no coding required. Beyond just website creation, Durable AI offers built-in tools from CRM, invoicing, and marketing, making it a one-step solution for managing your online business. Let's walk through how you can get started. Durable AI homepage. First, head over to Durable AI homepage. You'll see a prominent button usually labeled Build Your Site or Generate Website. Clicking this starts AI-powered creation process. You'll be asked to provide basic details about your business like its category, location, and the name. Be as specific as possible. This helps AI tailor your site to your needs. Once you generate website, Durable AI gets it to work, crafting a complete website in under a minute. After previewing it, you'll need to sign up for an account to access and customize your site, often with a 7-day free trial to explore the platform risk-free. Animation of AI generating a website layout, color scheme, and content. Durable AI doesn't just build a website, it designs it for you. Based on your input, it selects layouts, color scheme, and even adds relevant documents. The more details you provide, the better the results. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet, you can always tweak it later. And with the free trial, you can test drive all the features before committing. Dashboard walkthrough highlighting key sections like websites, CRM, and invoicing. Once signed in, you'll land on the Durable.co dashboard, your command center. Here you'll find everything you need: the website section for editing your site, the CRM for managing customer relationship, and the invoicing tool for sending bills. This even a marketing section for promotions and an agent tab with the AI helper like an SEO specialist and content strategist to optimize your site. The interface is simple, so you won't feel overwhelmed. Demonstration of editing text, images, and using the restyle button. Customizing your site is easy. Click any element, text, image buttons to edit it. Use the restyle button to change layouts, colors, or spacing in seconds. Want to add more sections? Click Add Section to insert pre-designed blocks like testimonials, contact forms, or pricing tables. You can even use AI to rewrite content or generate brand assets like logos on color palettes. CRM, invoicing, and marketing tools in action. Beyond the website, Durable.co helps you run your business. The CRM organizes contacts, syncs with your email, and even drafts replies. The invoicing tools lets you create and send bills accepting payments via credit card or Apple Pay. For marketing, use AI to craft social media posts, ads, or SEO-friendly blog content. There's even an analytical dashboard to track visitors' data. Display domain setup, team collaboration, and integrations. To look more professional, connect. Custom domain include with paid plans. Working with a team, invite members on higher tier plans. While Durable.co is a full e-commerce platform, you can still sell products via Stripe. Plus, integrate tools like Calendly or Google Analytics for extra functionality. Ready to build your website the smart way? Visit Durable.co today, start your free trial, and get your business online in minutes. With the powered design and the built-in business tools, you will have time and focus on what really matters: growing your brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips.